Hello everyone, welcome to Ramaile Padhai. Today we are going to solve a question from Unit 7 Quadratic Equation that was asked as question number 9 in SC 2080 Lumbini Province, and the question says the ages of father and his daughter were 48 years and 17 years respectively in 2079 BS. Okay, we will take that into mind. In day, what will be the age of the father and his daughter after X years? That means after some time. So their age will increase, so they will be 48 plus X years and 17 plus X years. Okay. In B, prove that product multiplication of ages of father in 3 years ago, that means the age of father minus 3, and the age of daughter 3 years hence. So age of daughter 3 years hence means age of daughter plus 3 is square number. So we will multiply 48 minus 3 times 17 plus 3 and find if that is a square number. That is it. In C, in which year BS the numerical product of their ages will be 10, 20. Calculate it by forming quadratic equation. So we will form quadratic equation, and how we will approach this? We will find after X years their ages will be 10, 20, and if that X will be negative, then it will be in the past, and if that year will if that value of X is positive, then it will be after some years, okay, in the future. Okay, so without any delay, let's start the solution. We will write what is given to us. Given age of father in 2079 BS, that is F is equals to 48 years, and age of his daughter in 2079 BS, that is D is equals to 17 years. Okay, now we will move on to question number A. In A, what will be the age of father and his daughter after X years? So the age of father and his daughter after X years will be 48 plus X years and 17 plus X years respectively. Okay, now moving on to question number B. We have proved that the product of ages of father in 3 years ago and the age of daughter 3 years hence is square number. So here age of father 3 years ago is equals to 48 minus 3 is equals to 45 years, and age of daughter 3 years hence is equals to 17 plus 3 is equals to 20 years. Now we need to prove that product of their ages is square number. So now product of their ages is 45 times 20 is equals to 900. As 900 is square of 30, the product of their THEI, let me just write it in a good way. Okay, of their ages is a square number. So square number and perfect square are similar things. And now moving on to question number C. But before that, I will just save this document so that it will be easier for me to write. Okay, it is saved. Okay, in which year BS, the numerical product of the ages will be 10, 20, calculate it by forming quadratic equation. So let after x years the numerical product of their ages be 10, 20. Okay, so 48 plus cx multiplied 17 plus cx is equals to 10, 20. Okay, or we will open the bracket, 48 times 17 plus cx times 17 plus cx is equals to 10, 20, or 48 times 7 is equals to 336. So 336 plus 48x plus 17x plus x square is equals to 10, 20, or x square. Okay, x square plus 48 plus 7 is equals to 55. So 55x plus 336 minus 10, 20 is equals to 0, or x square plus 55 x minus, so 336 minus 10, 20 is equals to minus 684. So 684 is equals to 0. Here I want two numbers that have difference of 55 and product of 684. So we will just see 57, no, we will just see 60 times 5, 60 minus 5, so 60 times 5, that is 300. Am I missing something? I don't think so. Okay, let me just see. 60 times 5 is equals to 300. So 70 times 15, that is 1050, that is much greater. So 65 times 10 is equals to 650, which is near. We want greater number. So 66 times 11, that is 726. What am I missing? 65 times 10, 650. Okay, I need to find what is the mistake here. In which year the numerical product of their ages will be 10, 20. So after some years their numerical ages will be 10, 20. Oh, 48 times 17 is equals to 816, not 336. I just multiplied 48 times 7. These blunder mistakes will kill me someday. Okay, so it will 48 times 17 will be 816, 816. So 816 minus 10, 20 will be 204. Okay, I want two number whose difference is 54 because it is minus, and their product is 204. So let me just search 58 times 3, how much is that? 174. 59 times 4, 236. We want 204. 58 times 3, 174. Still I am missing something here. Oh shit, x times 17 is 17x, not 7x. My mistakes. 17, so 17 plus 48 is equals to 48 plus 17, 65. So 65x. Okay, let's do 68 times 3 is equals to 204. Okay, we got that. So or no, we will first write this is quadratic equation, which is a quadratic equation. Okay, solving the equation x square plus 65x minus 204 is equals to 0, or x square plus 68 minus 3x minus 204 is equals to 0, or x square plus 68 x minus 3x minus 204 is equals to 0, or taking x common, so x plus 68 and taking minus 3 common, x plus 68 is equals to 0, or x plus 68 x minus 3 is equals to 0. Either x plus 68 is equals to 0, therefore x is equals to minus 68, and that will give 48 minus x as minus 20, which is not possible because age cannot be negative, as this value of x will give negative age, which is not possible. We reject this value. Oh, what happened? Am I writing too fast, or is it slow? So we reject this value of x, so or x minus 3 is equals to 0, and that will give therefore x is equals to 3. Okay, so after 3 years the numerical product of their ages will be 10, 20. Okay, 10, 20. So this is about the solution of this question. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section down below. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.